Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Dream11 Circle. To begin your fantasy sports adventure, first download the official Dream11 Circle application onto your mobile device. You can find it easily in your device's app store. Once installed, register your new account using a valid mobile number or email address. A quick verification process, usually an OTP, will activate your profile, allowing you to dive into the exciting world of fantasy sports. Now, let's build your winning team. After selecting an upcoming match, you will choose 11 players from both competing sides. Remember, you have a budget of 100 credits to pick your ideal squad, balancing star players with budget-friendly options. Crucially, designate a captain who earns 2 times points and a vice-captain who gets 1.5 times points for their performance. With your team ready, it's time to join a contest. Dream11 Circle offers many options, from free practice games to grand leagues with substantial cash prizes. Familiarize yourself with the scoring system, where players earn points for runs, wickets, and catches, plus bonus points for milestones. You can then monitor your team's performance live as the real-world match unfolds. Once the match concludes, your team's final rank will determine your winnings. To access your earnings, securely link your bank account or preferred payment method within the Dream11 Circle application. The platform ensures a safe and straightforward withdrawal process, allowing you to transfer your winnings directly to your account. Enjoy the rewards of your fantasy sports knowledge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.